Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to grow my all-time favorite fall crop from seed. If this is a crop you are interested in growing this year, I have created a grow guide just for you. It is on our website at secondmilejourney.com in the garden section, or you can check the description of this video for the direct link. And I apologize, Rocky is running in and out of this room. He just got home from the vet, so he's got to see what's going on all around the house. So I got off to a bit of a late start this year on my fall crops. My grandson was here with me for several weeks during the month of August, and I wasn't about to let any of that time go to waste. So my fall crops got put on hold for a little while. But I did get this started on September 1st, and as you'll see, we pre-germinated our pea seeds so that once they were ready to go in the ground, they would just take off, and they will. Okay, so first we're just going to take one little paper towel like this. Just get just a little bit of water on that. Okay, so you get it fairly wet, okay? And then wring it out until it's just kind of damp but not dripping anymore. So you see our wet paper towel here. I just go ahead and fold it in half. And then you want to count backwards from your very first frost date. So mine is November 1st. So to count backwards, September 1st, which is what we're right around. So we'd have like 30 days in September, and we'll just say 30 days in October. So 60 days, right? So we have about 60 days before the first frost. So that's why we're gonna look for days until maturity. And see, this one's 45 to 55. And then I've got days to harvest, 59 to 63. So that one's kind of pushing it. We're gonna still start some little marvel, but it is gonna push the line. And then we got our tall telephone. That one is 74. Whoop, yep, that's definitely too far. This one, 60 days. Lincoln. So we could do some Lincolns. What about Wando? Let's see, days to harvest, 68. So we're gonna pre-sprout our seeds to help the plants get a jump start on the season. We're gonna wrap the seeds up in the stamped paper towel, and then we're gonna place it into a plastic baggie and get all the air out. And then we'll just put those in a safe spot for about a week or so, and you'll be amazed at how many roots they wind up growing by the time you pull them out and get ready to plant them. The peas that we can get to harvest before the first frost, we've got these ready to go. So I've picked out the Little Marvel, Cascadia, and Tom Thumb. You can see Little Marvel says 59 days, Cascadia says 58, and Tom Thumb says 45 to 55. So we are good on all of these. So let me show you these are our Little Marvel. So this is how I do it. I just lay them kind of out like that. I just fold it over, fold it over, fold it over. And it's damp, right? Remember that. And then we're gonna put it in here and get all the air out. Okay, so we've got this inside the bag. I'm just gonna squeeze all the air out. And we'll just set these aside for about a week or so, and then they will have sprouted, and I'll come back and show you guys what we do next. It is September 11th, and we are back with our seeds. They have sprouted. They are ready to be planted. We're going to use these styrofoam cups. You just need to poke a hole in the bottom so that you can allow for drainage. The reason we're using styrofoam is because pea plants just don't like to have their roots disturbed. You do want to make sure that however you're planting them, if you cannot direct sow, you need to be certain their roots are not going to get disturbed. It's very important that peas be direct sown if at all possible. They just do not like their roots messed with. But don't worry, if you are new to this, I'll bring you along for that process, hopefully within the next week or so. Please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss that update. So you're just going to fill your cup about 3/4 of the way with potting soil. After that, you'll set your little sprouts on top and then top them up with a little more soil. Don't worry if they aren't facing the proper direction. They will find their way. So this last batch, the Tom Thumb peas, look at this. I mean, they were really growing in there. I might have left them just a little too long. They will do just fine being a little bit overcrowded. So I've got them in here. I'm gonna top them up with a little bit more soil, add some fertilizer, and we'll come back in just a second. So we have our pea plants potted up. We're gonna let these grow for a couple of weeks and then we'll be ready to plant them out in the garden. I will be back with another video update when that time comes. Let me know if you are planning to grow fall peas, and let me know what your favorite variety is too. Also, remember to go the second mile today for somebody in your life and with your resources. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.